Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something very special in store for you. We're taking you on a journey to a kindergarten and primary school in the vibrant city of Hong Kong, where Joe and some of our amazing team members spent an exciting and enriching day sharing the art of resin with the eager and curious young minds. The day began with a quick yet informative tour of the school grounds, allowing us to get a glimpse of the learning environment that nurtures these children's growth and development. After the tour, we proceeded to the event hall, where the main activities were set to take place. As the children started to arrive, their eyes sparkled with curiosity and anticipation, wondering what fascinating new skills they would learn that day. To kick things off, we began with an engaging and interactive presentation on the art of resin, exploring its endless possibilities and discussing what it means to be a resin artist, particularly in the realm of creating stunning and innovative wall panels. During the presentation, the principal took the stage to introduce our team members to the eager families in attendance. With a warm smile and a genuine sense of excitement, the principal welcomed Joe, Kevin, and JJ, highlighting their expertise and passion for the art they were about to share with the children. Victor engaged in a captivating conversation with Joe about the world of resin art, exploring Joe's journey as an artist and the inspirations behind his stunning designs, all while keeping the young audience engaged. Joe shared insights about his education at an art school in Canada and his extensive experience in the interior design and art industry. This exchange proved to be incredibly informative and inspiring for everyone present. As the conversation wrapped up, it was time to prepare for the hands-on crafting session. The team began by laying down plastic sheets on the tables to protect them from any mess, ensuring the kids could enjoy the process without worry. They then used cups to elevate the boards, making it easier to access them later if they needed to be moved. There were plenty of Instagram-worthy moments, with parents eagerly snapping pictures of their children as they immersed themselves in the joy of creating art.
도시에 퍼지는 멜로디 고요한 거리에 흐르는 시간 맘속에 남는 기억 우리만의 순간
While JJ walked around the room, capturing the excitement of the moment, we caught some delightful shots of the kids and their parents.
도시의 밤 불빛이 반짝여 꿈속을 헤매네 우리의 소리 늘 비트 속에
Joe took center stage, ready to guide the kids through the hands-on portion of the event. Using the screen behind him as a visual aid, Joe began to teach the children the fundamentals of working with resin. From applying the base coat to mixing vibrant colors and adding mesmerizing gold accents, the kids followed along intently, their eyes wide with wonder, and their hands eager to create their own masterpieces. The excitement in the room was palpable as the children immersed themselves in the creative process, experimenting with the resin and letting their imaginations run wild. We invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy some uplifting music while you watch the highlights of this unforgettable day unfold before your eyes.
떠오르는 감정 잊을 수 없네 우리의 멜로디 맘속에 새겨져 핸드도 한편 참고로 없어 이를 이성에 나 기능을 걸어줘 잊혀지지 않을 이 밤의 멜로디 부드러운 리듬에 몸을 맡기네 이 순간 영원하길 맘속 깊이 새겨 서서히 다가오는 그 그대의 향기 별빛 한 걸음 저는 이틀 골라 느린 그러한 깨매며시 지우셔게 닿네 대충 이런 기야는 저렇게 하루에서 바닥 함께 맨발이든 듯이긴 하죠 떠오르는 감정 잊을 수 없네 우리의 멜로디 맘속에 새겨져 핸드도 한편 참고로 없어 이를 이상하게 나긴을 걸어줘
The atmosphere was filled with laughter and creativity, making it a truly memorable experience for everyone involved. Despite being their first time working with this unique medium, the kids produced impressive pieces that showcased their innate artistic talents and the power of hands-on learning. As the event drew to a close, everyone stood up from their seats and began to walk around the room, marveling at the stunning works of art created by their peers. The atmosphere was filled with a sense of community, pride, and shared achievement, as the children celebrated each other's creations and the joy of learning something new together. As we wrap up this special video, we are truly grateful to everyone who joined us for this event, and we can't wait to see what the future holds for these talented young artists. Until next time, keep exploring, creating, and spreading the love of art.